and ensure that it becomes a success. My team members are Vivek Goyal and Priyanka Agarwal, and I am Randeep Bhardwaj. The first question that arises is, what is the statement of the problem? What are actually we are trying to make? Well, the statement of a problem is performance analysis of K-means clustering algorithms. Well, these are algorithms that we are going to use so as to cluster a particular set of data and divide them into various groups according to their characteristics. The first question that arises is what is clustering? Well, clustering is a method by which large set of data are grouped down into a single different sets so that they become similar data. While clustering, we ensure two things, that we have high intra-cluster similarity and low inter-cluster similarity. High intra-cluster similarity must be ensured in order to portray that all the elements in a single cluster has the same characteristics, whereas low inter-cluster similarity is needed so as different clusters, elements belonging to different clusters, don't have a common characteristics. That's why they would be separated. And moreover, clustering can also be used to find out natural grouping among objects. Now, why do we need clustering for our project? This is the main question. Clustering is very important because by organizing the data into structures, we actually get an insight of what is the internal structure of the data, how the data is structured from inside. For example, in clustering of genes, actually when we cluster genes, we can easily see what is the content of the data. Like we can see the DNA strands and all the basic structuring. Moreover, clustering is also required. Sometimes it is used as a goal. Certain companies ask you to cluster certain data, so it becomes a goal. Clustering is important there. Moreover, it is important for AI techniques, and clustering can also be used in knowledge discovery inside the data. Technologies to be used. We have classified our technologies into hardware and software. Well, the hardware that is going to be used is a personal computer with all regular attachments. No extra attachment is required. An Intel Core 2 Duo CPU that is